AUP has been engaged in a very fruitful partnership with the École de Guerre, which is part of the École Militaire, so the French War College, for 10 years now. Over the years, we built up AUP's presence in the game. We now represent humanitarian officers on the ground in a war zone throughout the planning phase in this year's Coalition 2022.
As part of that exercise, they need a media team, and they also recognize that media are becoming increasingly important in conflict more and more. And so that's where we come in. So what we do is we set up a newsroom. Everyone in that newsroom has a function. Some people are taking pictures, others are writing. We have a video team, we have chief editors, we have a newsroom manager. All of these people work seamlessly together to produce a daily newspaper, a breaking news, constant news feed, and of course pictures and video footage. I think what students are getting out of this experience at École de Guerre is they are really rubbing shoulders with a very, very professional environment. There is really very little difference between what we're doing here at École de Guerre and what happens in newsrooms across the world.
Many of our students have gone on to do absolutely wonderful things with this experience. We have students working for the UNHCR, for the International Organization for Migration. We have students working, I have a lawyer working for UN peacekeeping forces in New York. Students also go to work for NGOs, Human Rights Watch, for example. And so the roles they play in the game sometimes turn into reality after they graduate from AUP. So it's a very exciting link between a practicum, which is supposed to be practical, and real life experience after graduation.